Hey y'all, Xavier here, and we're back again reacting to House of the Dragon. It's season 1, episode 9. I think the title of this episode is The Green Council, and so that means we're mostly going to see the green side, which would be Alicent, Aegon, Aemond, Elena, Otto, Christian, Laris. Yeah, so from what I gather, that's going to be what we're going to see for most of this episode. Right, so what happened last episode is that we saw that Luke rights to be the heir of Driftmark that was challenged by Vaemond Velaryon. He got killed. Vaemond for disrespecting Rhaenyra's children, as well as Rhaenyra herself. Viserys and all the family gathered at a meal. Things were going okay, but then they got messed up a little bit with Aemond and Aegon and Viserys and Lucerys and Jacerys fighting each other at the end. Daemon stepped in to quell things. Luke and Jace, they got betrothed to Baela and Rhaena by Rhaenyra and Rhaenys. And also at the end, Alicent misheard what Viserys was saying. She thinks he wants Aegon to be king, and Viserys died at the last second. He died at the last seconds of that episode. Alright, so looking forward to another good episode, and let's get into it. Ooh, this is an interesting beginning, showing how silent and eerie everything is. Who's this kid? Oh, he's a servant. Is he gonna be the one to bring the news of Viserys' death?
You're sure?
Ah, okay.
Who knows?
I have made him tell you. Some of the servants.
Was that her sending a signal?
He told me he wished for Aegon to be king.
No, he did not, Alicent.
Truth.
No.
With his own lips.
No, you're misinterpreting what he said. This is definitely Talia sending a signal to Mysaria about the king's death.
But he has left us a gift. With his last breath, he impressed upon the Queen his final wish that his son, Aegon, should succeed him as Lord of the Seven Kingdoms.
It's a gift to you, not to other people. Just to you, Otto.
Then we may proceed now with the full assurance of his blessing on our long-laid plans.
Yes, there is much to be done, as we've previously discussed. Now, there are two among the captains of the City Watch that remain loyal to Daemon. Let us replace them. Lord Lannister.
The treasury is well in hand. The gold will be divided for safekeeping.
Let ravens be sent to our allies, Riverrun and Highgarden.
Am I to understand that members of the small council have been planning secretly to install my son without me?
That's what it looks like.
I am 76 years old. I have known Viserys longer than any who sit at this table. And I will not believe that he said this on his deathbed, alone with only the boy's mother as a witness.
Yeah, it is.
Theft! It is treason, at the least.
Mind
It is...
your tongue, Lyman.
The king was well last night, by all accounts. Which of you here can swear? that he died of his own accord.
Which of us are you accusing of regicide, Lord Beesbury?
Yeah, you're kind of taking it that way too far.
Fear not.
I will have no part.
Down! Frodo?
Yo, what the?
I am your Lord Commander, Sir Kristen.
Oh boy. What was it? Thailand? No, Jason. It's Jason. Well, whichever one it is.
Puzzle
Lord of
me.
Rhaenyra.
The former heir cannot, of course, be allowed to remain free and draw support to her claim.
You mean to imprison her?
She and her family will be given the opportunity to publicly swear obeisance to the new king.
That will never
You
happen.
bend the knee.
Exactly. Please.
Lord Commander Westerling, take your knights the Dragonstone. Be quick and be clean.
Oh, he's resigning his command.
Where is Aegon?
Not here.
He's not in his rooms.
Well, he's probably out whoring or something like that.
Your father.
There is a beast beneath the boards.
Oh, my dearest love.
What does that mean? Beast beneath the boards.
Bring him to me and me alone, Sir Eric.
Otto wants to lay into him. Otto wants to make him king, but he also wants to lay into him and yo, give him a piece of his man right now. I bet.
What is the meaning of this?
Okay, they don't want anyone let out to spread the news. Yeah, that's why. Laris is suspecting right now.
If anything has happened.
Cole needs me, Mother. So Eric isn't the only one who knows Aegon's doings.
Okay now. So it's gonna be a clash between these two and the other two. I can see it coming. I don't remember if that happened in the book or not. I don't. So trust me, I don't remember. But that's why it feels like it's coming to me.
At least that's what I understood him to mean. No, not follow. He said time to get it wet.
When there's an image of the mother to be spoken of with reverence.
Not by Aegon. Wrong person, Kristen.
He does not frequent the Street of Silk. His tastes are known to be
More.
less discriminating.
That doesn't sound good.
How you've grown.
Of course, yeah, I figured she remembered him. Probably the eye. I don't think he was 13 yet when he lost the eye.
You'll not leave this room without declaring your intention.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Housefell keeps its sworn oath to the princess.
Are they gonna have them locked up?
Long live the king.
Laris just watching on. What is he gonna do? What is Laris gonna do? He's gonna play a part. You can see him. He's been in a couple scenes and he's just been watching in the background so far. He's gonna do something. Is this child fighting?
Aegon. One of many, I'd wager.
Oh yeah, I bet there are dozens. I don't think they're gonna let you leave.
Rather, I'm sent by one who knows where he is. I'll tell you, for a price.
Of course, for a price. Is Casual gonna make it out?
I have no love for the princess.
Where were you going then with such urgency?
He better have a good story.
Let the king's justice take him.
Oh, didn't have a backup story.
There's no reason those hours cannot in the end benefit you.
Lars is loyal to himself, isn't he? Yeah, she really did like him. Maybe not love him, cause but there's no one to perform for her, and she's just doing this. So yeah, she really did have feelings for him. Maybe not a deep love, but she did have feelings.
My sincerest regrets for the lack of ceremony. The king.
Yeah, Rhaenys figured it out. She's a smart one.
And you are usurping the throne. It was my husband's dying wish. Believe it or no, it is of no consequence. Aegon will be king. I came here to ask your support. I must credit you for your boldness.
Yeah, she's very bold to do that.
Gently. Away from violence and sure destruction, and instead toward peace.
No, there's still gonna be war.
Prison me. And what of my dragon? If we are overmatched, Rhaenyra will be tempted to strike us, and war will ensue.
War will ensue regardless.
Yet you toil still in service to men.
I should.
Your husband, your son.
Yes, she does.
You desire not to be free, but to make a window in the wall of your prison. Have you never imagined yourself on the Iron Throne?
That's a line from the trailer, I think.
You yourself are the mysterious white worm, I take it. Or are you simply a further peel in this stinking onion?
My condolences on the passing of your king.
It's our business to know things, Otto. Oh.
I do regret this, friend.
I was hoping you disappeared.
Is our father truly dead?
Yes. And they're going to make you king.
Ugh. Awful.
Let me go!
You better walk away. I wonder why Sir Eric and Sir Eric, one of them, whichever one that was, didn't help.
Rather, I've been a peace that you moved about the board.
If that is true, then I made you Queen of the Seven Kingdoms. Would you have desired it otherwise?
How could I know?
Oh, that is true.
Whatever you impressed upon me to want.
Yeah, she was just a pawn in your game.
You look so much like your mother in certain lights.
Okay, Otto. I don't know, whatever point you were trying to make there.
As you wish.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's his point. Maybe that's why he relented. Cause he relented to his deceased wife.
I found out something you should know.
About the bastards? Or someone else?
And Aegon first.
Oh, he's gonna tell about the his spies.
One of the little spiders is your lady in waiting.
Oh wait, oh, she's showing his. Oh, she's showing her feet to satisfy Laris.
There
Okay.
is one way to destroy his advantage.
Kinda weird.
If you wish it will be done.
Okay, okay, yeah, this is okay. I'm not gonna, yeah, okay, all right. I can't say a lot to that. I can't say a lot. I can't say a lot.
With me, Princess. I cannot let this treachery stand.
Oh, is that why he didn't defend his brother? Who is this? Was that? Oh no, she got separated.
Steadfastly he upheld Rhaenyra's claim.
He changed his mind.
Wow. He could have, but he never did. Because he didn't like me.
Exactly, he did not.
And yet, with his final breath, he whispered to me that you should take his place for the throne.
You're deluding yourself, Alicent.
You love me.
That's an interesting question to ask.
You imbecile.
Oh, they're being shepherded towards the Sept, or is this the Dragon Pit? Oh yeah, they're being shepherded toward the Dragon Pit. Okay, she's gonna escape. She's gonna worm her way in somehow and escape on Melis. That water not gonna work on him. Yeah, that man is way too gone. Aemond is so angry. You can tell, you can see the anger on his face. Ah. His siblings, his brother and sister wife are not feeling him. But yeah.
Aegon, second of his name, King of the Andals and the Rhoynar and the First Men, Lord of the Seven Kingdoms, and Protector of the Realm!
And so the people cheer for a war. That boy is gonna become power hungry. As I can see it. Ah, Melis on her I'm sorry, Rhaenys on her dragon. Oh, this is the beast beneath the boards. I get it now. I get it. Oh, the tension. Oh, yes, 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 yes. That's her answer right there. Yeah. Okay, so that was interesting. Oh, that final scene. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So, interesting into that episode. Rhaenys declared her allegiances. Her allegiances are to Rhaenyra. So, that was clear. And that's what the beast beneath the boards means. The dragon coming up and wrecking the townspeople. Like, see, I said they were cheering their destruction. They were cheering the war. The war was just declared a while ago. So, sucks for them, but right. Let's move back to the start. Opening scene where I just realized that was Larys, or one of his people. What? No, sorry, Larys wouldn't move that type fast. He's one of his people who burned down Miss Arya's place. She's not dead though. I don't think she's dead. No. Yeah, she's not dead. No. Anyway, yeah, let's move on. So, servant boy brings the news. King's dead. There is a meeting of the small council. With first Alicent tells Otto the wrong information that she had. She tells him, and they call the meeting, and then everybody else except Lord Beesbury and Commander Westerlin and Alicent, and I don't think the Maester was in on it. He was just ready to go either way. He didn't care. He was just still. I'm writing whichever side, whichever. I'm neutral. That's basically what the news I got from the Maester. It was basically, the Lannister, Mr. Weil, Sir Weil, or Lord Weil. I'm not sure which one it was. It was a Master of Laws. It was the guy beside the Maester and Otto. They had a plan working, and so enacted the plan. These were declared his intentions to disagree, and Kristen accidentally killed him. Lord Commander Weston resigned, and that set things in motion. And then we see that Eric and Eric were sent to find Aegon, as well as Aemon and Kristen were also looking for Aegon. They went through, they saw he has bastards, that there was this thing about this fighting in the city of the children, all that. We saw the bad stuff. The servants were imprisoned. The lords were made to pledge their fealty. Two of them, they got locked up. I'm assuming they got locked up. Caswell, yeah, he declared, because we saw him being early in the season, he was friendly with Rhaenyra we saw him from the jump in time. He was in that first episode with Emma Darcy and Olivia Cook play, when they, was episode 6? Yeah, he was in there. We saw that he was loyal to Rhaenyra. And so he faked, he tried to leave, and he got captured, and he couldn't come up with a good story, and they killed him. Alicent made an offer to Rhaenys, and then she said Rhaenys, they'll give some time to think. Otto finds the White Worm, she gives him the location of Aegon, and he makes some promises to her. Eric and Eric find Aegon, one of them is leading him out and to meet and then there's a battle between that brother and Christian. They get Egon, and the other brother doesn't help, and he just walks away, and then so that's the end of that for now. I'm assuming that it's that brother who walks away that is the one that tries to get Rhaenys out of there. He loses her in the crowd. Whichever brother it was, he loses her in the crowd, and she makes her way to the Dragon Pit, which is where the ascension of Aegon was taking place. So Aegon asks his mother if she loves him, and that's an interesting question because if she loves him, it's because she has a duty to. That's basically all. That's the only reason why she will love him. Because you could see she does not like him, as would have been Viserys, and Viserys would not have liked him either. Because look at him. Not necessarily his face, but look at him. What he does. Yeah. Viserys wouldn't have liked him. Right. Oh, we also saw a scene where we see a development in the relationship there was between Larys and Alicent, where Alicent showed him her feet for information and stuff, and in turn she would look away and then he would tug one out, and so that was really disturbing. But whatever fetishes and whatever, but kind of weird for Alicent to debase herself like that. Because she was not a willing participant, but she is doing what she needs to have success, because it's her duty. So she's just like how she paid off the that's how she paid that servant that Aegon R-worded, so whatever. Her morality is wavy, but right, everybody gets pushed to the Dragon Pit. Aegon is crowned, and Rhaenys bursts. Oh, that scene! That was a nice scene. I like that. Where Elena said before in the previous episode, there's a beast in the boards, and then this episode she says it again. There's a beast in the boards, and then we see the beast would be Maelys, the dragon. I thought it was that the beast would have been Aegon's bastards, but no, it was the dragon. Okay, that makes more sense because Elena doesn't give me the vibe that you would call a bastard a beast, so I'm glad about that. We saw Miss Aria's place burned down, but I noticed she's dead. So Maelys escapes, and so next episode we're gonna see Rhaenyra's side of things. So this episode was purely about the green side of this tension, of this conflict, and the next episode is the title is the Black Queen. So we're gonna see Rhaenyra's side. I'm assuming that the episode will start off with Maelys reaching Dragonstone. I don't know. Miss Arya might have gotten word to Daemon before, but I don't know. Maybe she's not. She's just neutral right now. So who knows? We'll find out in next episode. But yeah, so it's a really good okay, so this is a good episode. Episode 8 was better. It was better in terms of just like how Paddy sold everything right there, and the acting, the scenes, the various scenes. Oh yeah, it had much more impactful scenes to me. Because the most really impacting scene for this episode was the scene between Larys and Alicent, but that was just because of how okay it was, and the scene between Maelys at the end where Aegon is crowned, because it's just how good that was good cinematography and CGI. But yeah, so Aegon is crowned, the conflict begins. We're gonna see next episode about the black side of this thing. Today was the green side, about the council, the various deaths of Lord Beesbury, Lord Caswell, the various citizens of King's Landing. Some mysterious people also got killed. Who else got killed this episode? Maybe some of the servants too. But yeah, the deaths of the few would serve the many, as Otto said. But it will lead to more death in the future. Cause Civil War, baby. Yeah. So, those are my thoughts. Don't have much to say, it was just a good episode. This was really just to provide an insight into how the machinations between them crowning Aegon as king. Right? So, and then next episode we'll see the other side. So, interesting decision they did. Cause, as I figure, episode 10 will pick up after this and show the other side where they're informed. And so, that will be... No, I'm not going to speak on the future episode because I might remember something, so I'm not going to speak this week about this episode. Good work, good acting, good, just everything good. It wasn't amazing. I would say like it's like 8 out of 10 or something like that, you know. But there's the last episode I would say was a 10 out of 10. This also was like an 8, a step back. It was just a little showing off one side of the conflict, and then the other episode we're gonna see the next episode, the season finale, we're gonna see the other side of the conflict, and so things are gonna go from there, right? And so those are my thoughts again, like I said, and see you next time. Bye.